Welcome to this introduction to Amazon Web Services. Commonly known as AWS. Amazon Web Services is the world's leading cloud computing platform, offering a comprehensive suite of services that power millions of applications worldwide. In this video, we'll explore what AWS is, why it matters, and the core services that make it such a powerful platform for businesses and developers alike. So, what exactly is AWS? Amazon Web Services is a cloud computing platform that delivers on-demand computing resources over the internet. Instead of purchasing and maintaining physical servers, companies can rent computing power, storage, and other services as needed. AWS was launched by Amazon in 2006 and has since grown to become the world's most widely adopted cloud provider. Today, AWS offers more than 200 services spanning compute, storage, databases, artificial intelligence and machine learning, networking, and much more. This vast ecosystem allows organizations of all sizes to build virtually any type of application or service in the cloud. AWS provides several compelling benefits that make it attractive for businesses. First, it operates on a pay-as-you-go pricing model, meaning you only pay for the resources you actually use with no upfront costs or long-term commitments. Second, AWS offers incredible scalability, allowing you to scale your infrastructure up or down instantly based on demand, whether you're handling 10 users or 10 million. Third, AWS provides global reach with data centers in over 30 regions worldwide, enabling you to deploy applications close to your users for lower latency and better performance. Finally, AWS delivers enterprise-grade security with numerous compliance certifications, ensuring your data and applications are protected with industry-leading security measures. AWS organizes its services into several main categories. Compute services provide the processing power for your applications, including virtual servers, containers, and serverless functions. Storage services offer various ways to store and retrieve data, from object storage to file systems and backup solutions. Database services include both relational and NoSQL databases, as well as in-memory and graph databases for different data management needs. Networking services help you create isolated virtual networks, distribute traffic with load balancers, accelerate content delivery with content delivery networks, and manage domain name system services. These categories form the foundation of cloud infrastructure on AWS. Let's dive into one of AWS's most fundamental services, Amazon EC2, which stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. EC2 provides scalable virtual servers in the cloud, giving you complete control over your computing environment. With EC2, you can launch virtual machine instances in just minutes, choosing from a wide variety of configurations optimized for different workloads, such as compute-intensive applications, memory-intensive databases, or general-purpose web servers. EC2 instances can be easily resized to match your needs, and you only pay for the compute time you actually use. This flexibility makes EC2 perfect for everything from hosting simple websites to running complex enterprise applications and high-performance computing workloads. Another essential AWS service is Amazon S3, which stands for Simple Storage Service. S3 provides highly scalable object storage designed to store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere on the internet. One of S3's most impressive features is its durability. It's designed to provide 11 nines of durability, meaning 99.999999999%, ensuring your data is extremely safe and protected against loss. With S3, you can store unlimited amounts of data, including backups, media files, application data, and even host entire static websites. Your data is accessible from anywhere via HTTP or HTTPS protocols, making it easy to integrate with applications and share content globally. S3's combination of durability, scalability, and accessibility makes it one of the most popular storage services in the cloud. Beyond EC2 and S3, AWS offers many other popular services worth knowing about. Amazon RDS, or relational database service, provides managed databases supporting engines like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server, taking care of routine database tasks like backups and patches. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers, automatically scaling based on incoming requests. Amazon VPC, or Virtual Private Cloud, allows you to create isolated network environments with complete control over your virtual networking configuration. Amazon CloudFront is a content delivery network that distributes your content globally through edge locations, ensuring fast delivery to users worldwide. These services work together to provide comprehensive solutions for modern cloud applications. Ready to start your AWS journey? AWS offers a free tier that provides hands-on access to many services at no cost, perfect for learning and experimentation. The free tier includes limited usage of popular services like EC2, S3, and RDS for 12 months, along with always free tiers for services like Lambda. AWS also provides extensive documentation, tutorials, and learning resources to help you get started and build your skills. For those looking to validate their expertise, AWS offers certification programs at various levels, from foundational to professional and specialty certifications. Whether you're a developer, system administrator, or business professional, AWS provides the tools and resources you need to succeed in the cloud. Thank you for watching this introduction to Amazon Web Services and happy cloud computing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.